Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can make your username or display name on Discord invisible. So if you're curious to learn more about this, make sure you drop a like, and now let us get started. So as you can see, we're inside my account on Discord, and just to prove to you that I'm not joking guys, just take a look at my username or display name here in the bottom left corner or here in that conversation. As you can see, it is invisible. So let me show you how you can model that. Basically, all you need to do is access your profile settings. To do that, click on that gear icon here in the bottom left corner, and after that take a look at that panel here to the left. So where you see the user settings at the top, head over to profiles, and here to the right simply left click on a display and delete your previous display name. And what you want to do guys is make sure that you copy the Unicode I added to the video description below. So you will find it at the top of that video's description. So what you want to do guys is copy it, paste it here, confirm these changes to save them, and that's basically it. These changes will be then applied and saved instantaneously so that you can from now on use your invisible display name or username on Discord. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.